house was ever finished. I think somebody built this and ran out of money. So I'm looking it over and there's intense water damage absolutely everywhere. It's more evident downstairs than it is upstairs, but this has been vacant for a very long time. I don't see any signs of any plumbing, any electrical, but basically every wall has major water damage coming in pretty much everywhere. Every piece of plywood looks like it's soaked, as well as major sections of the roof. In fact, there's so much water, it looks like it's actually completely eroded away some of the plywood in certain places. It's been nothing but water. Completely destroyed everything. It's very strange because this house was obviously built a long time ago, but my guess is that it was never completed and it's probably just changed hands several times. There's obviously been a lot of animals living in here, off and on. They put blinds up though. No electrical, but blinds are up. There's some bones. And this is like a 3-car garage. Small 3-car garage. Look at that staircase, look at that 70s carpeting. Look at this water damage here. This is incredible. I mean, this is just all black. All black mold, this whole downstairs and upstairs. And you can see it just rained outside, and you can see where the water's, it's actually keeping out the water better than I thought. It rained really heavy. It's been this way since the 90s?
1992.
So here's a clue. There's a bag of Doritos here from the 90s.
Yeah, so 1992.
So even the trash here is ancient, yeah.
Yeah, he said someone would either need to finish it out or tear it down and start over. They would estimate it would cost between $500,000 to $600,000 to finish it.
Yeah, which makes it
Yeah.
100% not worth it since you have to demolish the thing.